Okay, well, in your Windows 10 computer, you must open the setting. You can take the setting from this here area. You can take the settings, and after opening the settings, you can see here the settings have been come. This is the Windows 10 setting, and here you can see system devices, phone network, internet, personalization, etc. And you can see here this is the search bar, search area, and here it is written as find a setting, and you must type here F4. So if you type here F4, then you can see here check for updates, font setting, make text size bigger, focus assistant, change caption, font settings, see all results. These are the things. So remember, you must simply type here F4, and after that you can choose this one, that is make it text size bigger. You must check it and make the text size bigger, and now you can see the display screen will be applied here, and here you can see make text bigger. Now it is showing 100%. So this is the 100% is shown here, and if you want to make this sample test or then the test bigger, then what should we do? We must move our mouse cursor like this, and after that we can drag it like this. You can look at this, the size, the test size have been getting bigger and bigger, 162%, 174%, 184%. Like the way you can see that now the sample test, the test size have been increased up to 25%. So now it is very big. So this is the way to make the test size bigger in your Windows 10 computer. And if you want to change it back to the normal test size, then you must change this to like this. You must move it to 100%. So if you want to make it to 225 big size, you must move like this, and after that you must click this apply button. Then if you press the apply button, then you can see that the test size have been becoming big. And if you want to change it to the normal position, you must look like this 100%, and after that apply. Hope you enjoy this video. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Engineers World Online. Thank you.